Sa pag-solve ng ganitong equation, pwede itong i-cross multiply. So, that is 8 times 2x minus 10 equals 7 times x plus 4. Okay? Then, distribute. Ganun din dito. So, magiging 16x minus 80 equals, and then 7x plus 28. Okay? And then combining like terms. So, 16x, ilipat itong 7x, so magiging negative yan. 7x equals 28 plus 80. Okay? Nasundan? By the way, pwede mo nyo naman yan i-post ang video para masundan. Okay? Next. So, 16x minus 7x, that is 9x, equals 108. Okay na? 28 plus 80, that is 108. And then dividing both sides by 9. Divide yan by 9. Ito by 9. So, x equals, so, wala na yan. X equals